Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have been blessed to have an Advent that I am doing with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Look at these look at these outfits and items. Most are handcrafted, very thoughtful. We sent one another 8 items each, which came to 24 when you have 8 times 3, which worked out perfect for an Advent calendar, the 1st through the 24th. Look how low my little jar is getting. I'm gonna have to use a bowl or something. I am gonna reach in, let's see. I'm gonna get J Dolls UK. Who's been sneaking in here taking a look? Let's open this up. I am really having fun with this. I cannot thank Jay, Tammy, and Beth enough for doing this. It's just been such fun. Oh, look at these. Look at these silver boots. Oh my goodness. I have 3 boy Blythes. These are going to be fantastic, Jay. Thank you so much. Oh, and they're so Christmassy silver. I just love them. And New Year's Eve. Please go by and watch Tammy, Beth, and Jay's channels. And we will have a link below. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe on each channel. And thank you so much for watching.